Hey everyone, I wanted to make this video because I just graded the Where Do Matter and Energy Come From assignment, and a lot of people kind of just skipped over the chart, and then a few people didn't really fill it in. Oh, dang it, that's the quiz. Um, so it's lesson 4. It was due last week, and a lot of you guys did not really do part of it because I think you guys were intimidated. In class, I would have been able to support you and be like, here's what you got to do, but it is hard online. So don't blame yourself. Just make sure that you use this video to help yourself get a higher grade. So what we have here is 3 sections. This one, everybody did pretty good on. So you guys were really understanding where the energy came from. If you didn't, I gave you a little hint and you can redo it and turn it back in. Here's where everyone was getting confused. So this question right here, a lot of you guys forgot to answer this question, so I'm thinking you didn't even read it. One of the tips I want to give you is please read the things I write because I try to summarize like a lot of information down to like an easy peasy little part so that you don't have to like learn, I don't know, a whole textbook worth of material or several textbook chapters during one term. I just put what you absolutely need to know right here. So please make sure that you read these little parts that I write because I do that for your benefit. This is stuff that you can have a quiz on, but I'm just telling you in writing since I'm not telling you through a lecture. By the way, I saw my daughter's lecture the other day. There was a teacher that she had to participate in a Zoom meeting, and the teacher was talking to all the students. And I really don't think that that very much information was conveyed to the students. Even though the teacher was trying hard. It's so hard to do online. I know it's hard for you guys. It's hard for us too because we can't see you and we can't help you in person. But that's why I need you guys to call me when you need help. Okay, there are 3 resources here, so I'm just going to open each of them. Okay, if yours doesn't open into a new tab, then you might have to right click on it and say open a new tab, otherwise it'll like take everything, um, it'll like get rid of this paper. So if you go to this BHP life cycle of stars, this is where we get the other information for this. This is my favorite picture of these stars. This is my favorite resource. So I'm going to mostly use this one. So if you look, we have main sequence, supergiant, supernova, black hole, neutron star. So this one doesn't really have protostar on it. And I'm sorry about that because that's annoying. But there are other resources with protostars. So if I zoom into this one, okay, it tells me that the main sequence star is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, and 1/3 of the hydrogen is converted to helium. So what do I know is fusing in a main sequence star? Hydrogen and helium. Okay, so I'm going to put right here, main sequence stars, elements produced. I would write hydrogen and helium. Okay. I could just put H and HE as well because that would be another way to write the elements properly. Okay, this video right here, what did the stars give us? I'm not going to play it on here because like why would I do that? But this is the Big History Project guy and he's going to go through everything. So you can also watch this video. This other one is really, really quick. So you might want to watch this one first because then it'll give you like a really nice overview. Okay, it says I need a picture of a main sequence star. So in that infographic that I was looking at, which now I can't find, hold on. Where is it? There it is. Okay. It shows me a picture of 2 main sequence stars. A high mass one, so this would be like a really huge star, and a low mass one. Our star is more of a low mass star. And so it's gonna live a lot longer than these ones. So I just want you guys to know, because this is something that sometimes comes up. High mass stars, they burn through their energy like really, really fast. They fuse those elements like crazy. Okay, then go back over here and we need a picture of a main sequence star. So I can look for a star that just looks like this one or this one. I'm going to go with the sun because I like the sun. So I'm actually just going to Google a picture of the sun. And there it is. How beautiful. I think the sun is way prettier when you look at it up close like this because you can see all the details. When I go outside and the sun is bearing down on me, I don't think it's pretty at all. All right, so then I would just paste this into here. Sorry, you have to push Control V because Google's all annoying. Okay, and then it says description of what it is. So then I can go back and I can use the video resources or that infographic. Okay, here's a description. Composition. Oh, this doesn't really give me very much information, so I'm gonna have to go to another one. So let's go ahead and let's watch this video. So you're gonna have to use these three resources to piece together the information in here. The most important one, okay, the most important thing is this one right here. And so that's the one I really want you to focus on the most. That's all. It's not so much that I want you to focus on it the most, I want you to do the whole thing. But I want you to learn this information. Like, this is what's going to be on the test. Also, a couple of you guys like had really weird answers down here, or you didn't even try it. But after you finish this chart, you'll be able to answer these comprehension check questions way easier. Okay, now for reals, bye.